Assalamu alaikum, pyare Hazur.
Waalaikum assalam.
My name is Usman Khalid and I am from Battlefield region. My question is, Allah is all-knowing and seeing, so why did He create angels to monitor us?
You see, Allah is all-knowing and all-seeing. Yes? When He created Adam, angels said that we are here to praise you, to worship you, to obey you, to follow your commandments. Why you are creating a person who might destroy the peace of this society and the world? Eh? And so Allah Ta'ala said that I know better than you. Then He created Adam. And for the purpose, you see, He has created human beings and He has given them the free hand. And He has told them, these are the good things, these are the bad things. If you do good things, you will be awarded. And not only awarded here in this world, but in the hereafter as well. And that is the eternal life. You will be given, you will be sent to the paradise. So, and if you do bad things, then you will be punished. So one thing is that Allah Ta'ala has created human being and to obey Him, but at the same time He has given them free hand to do good or bad. But as far as angels are concerned, they have not been given any free hand. They have a fixed duty. They are bound to follow that. And they cannot deviate from what Allah Ta'ala has said. Right? So, and at the same time, angels are also working as the servants of Allah Ta'ala. You have the capacity to go to your kitchen and drink water, bring out the bottle from the fridge, take the glass and drink water. But if you have the facility that this person is helping you to bring the water for you in your room, then you will ask him to do it. So Allah is Malik. So although Allah can do whatever He likes, but at the same time He has appointed some angels for different duties. And through them, you see, for instance, for example, Jibreel alayhi salam's duty is to bring messages from Allah Ta'ala to the prophets, and the wahi and the commandment of Allah Ta'ala is revealed through Jibreel alayhi salam. So different angels have different duties. This is why Allah Ta'ala has created angels and He has made His team. So that this is a system evolved by Allah Ta'ala to help Him. Although Allah Ta'ala has a power to do everything on His own, but if He is a Malik at the same time, so if He has developed a system, then who are we to object on it? Okay?
Jazakallah.